Welcome to another ABC Grab and Go on-demand webcast. In this webcast, we're going to cover the DEF filter replacement guidelines and basic information on Detroit engines for EPA 10, EPA 14, and EPA 16. All information provided is intended for informational purposes only and should not be used to replace either technical documents, manual guides, manufacturer information, or recommendations, nor the advice of a qualified personnel. While the information is thought to be accurate on the date it is posted, it is provided on an as-is basis and without warranty of any kind, either expressed or implied. In addition, the information may change at any time. Here we show you the two different styles for your Detroit engine dosing units. The one to the left is an air-assisted dosing unit. The one to the right is the new style, which is a liquid dosing unit. EPA 2010 Detroit engines use an air-assisted DEF system. Air pressure is supplied to the pump, which assists the DEF flow and atomization. Proper air pressure, a clean DEF filter, and properly inflated bladder is very important to the operation of the system. EPA 2010 air-assisted DEF systems. To replace the filter, unscrew the DEF filter cartridge number 2 from the DEF pump module and remove the DEF filter, number 1. To install the filter, lubricate the O-rings with BioLube. Install the filter into the cartridge and screw the cartridge in the DEF pump module. Torque to 22 to 25 foot-pounds. Renew the filter every 150,000 miles. Here we show you a breakdown for your EPA 2010 air-assisted DEF system for the Detroit DD13. This is a continuation of the layout for the 2010 air-assisted DEF system. Number 1 is your electric pump. Number 2 is the DEF chamber. 3 is the DEF pressure bladder. And 4 is your DEF filter. On GHG engines, they use an airless dosing system, which is more reliable and easier to maintain than the air-assisted system used on the EPA 10 engines. The filter is mounted in the pump and easily accessible from under the coach. There is also a small screen filter on the inlet of the pump. The filter should be replaced every 150,000 miles. To replace the filter on the GG045 airless dosing system, unscrew the DEF pump filter cap number 5 by turning it clockwise. Remove the frost compensation membrane number 4 and filter element number 3 from the pump housing. The O-rings 1 and 2 are included with the new filter assembly and need to be replaced. Installing a new filter cartridge and inlet screen. Lubricate the sealing beads of the frost compensation membrane with the supplied BioLube. Install the DEF filter cartridge by twisting and pushing the cartridge over the aluminum pump bolt in the pump housing. Install the DEF frost compensation membrane over the filter cartridge. Verify the sealing bead of the frost compensation membrane is fully seated in the pump housing groove. Lubricate the threads on the DEF pump on the filter housing with BioLube. Install DEF filter cap and cap O-ring to the DEF pump module, turning clockwise. Torque to 80 Newton meters or 59 foot-pounds. Make sure O-ring sealing surface is clean. Verify O-ring is not pinched after installation DEF filter cap. Remove the DEF inlet fitting number 1 from the DEF pump module. Using a small pick, pull the filter screen number 2 from the DEF pump module. Install a new filter screen into the inlet port. Install the DEF line fittings and torque to 14 Newton meters or 10 foot-pounds. Verify the DEF supply line and inlet fittings are free of dirt and DEF crystals and install your DEF supply line. The DEF pump retains the same general design of the GHG14 model with improvements to the GHG17 models, including internal changes to the main filter and suction filter to enhance performance in cold conditions. The frost protection cap has been eliminated. The GHG17 pump is backwards compatible for use with GHG14 systems. When working on your DEF dosing unit, always refer to the Detroit Owner's Manual. We used the Service Information Bulletin 834-12 to create this grab and go. And this concludes this grab and go. For questions regarding the webcast, please contact ABC's Technical Service Department at 877-427-7278. Listen for the prompts for Coach Technical Support and select the appropriate option. Support is available at this number 24/7.